Apex Governing Bank in Nigeria, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN has approved the use of cryptocurrency in the country. This is according to a CBN circular dated December 22, 2023, with reference number FPR, DIR, POP, CIR 002-003, signed by the Apex Bank's Director, Financial Policy and Regulation Department, Haruna Mustafa. The Central Bank of Nigeria in the circular also changed its stance on crypto assets in the country and asked banks to disregard its earlier ban on crypto transactions. The circular titled, Circular to All Banks and Other Financial Institutions Guidelines on Operations of Bank Accounts for Virtual Assets Service Providers VASPS, CBN stated that current trends globally have shown the need for crypto regulation. The statement reads, the CBN, in February 2021 issued a circular restricting banks and other financial institutions from operating accounts for cryptocurrency service providers in view of the money laundering and terrorism financing (MLTF) risks and vulnerabilities inherent in their operations, as well as the absence of regulations and consumer protection measures. However, current trends globally have shown that there is a need to regulate the activities of virtual asset service providers (VASPs), which include cryptocurrencies and crypto assets. Following this development, the Financial Action Task Force (FATF) in 2018 also updated its Recommendation 15 to require VASPs to be regulated to prevent misuse of virtual assets for MLTF/PF. Furthermore, Section 30 of the Money Laundering, Prevention and Prohibition Act 2020 recognizes VASPs as part of the definition of a financial institution. In addition, the Securities and Exchange Commission in May 2020 issued rules on issuance, offering and custody of digital assets and VASPs to provide a regulatory framework for their operations in Nigeria. In view of the foregoing, the CBN hereby issues this guideline to provide guidance to financial institutions under its regulatory purview in respect of their banking relationship with VASPs in Nigeria. Quote, the Apex Bank noted that this new guideline supersedes its old ones referenced FPR, DIR, Gen, CIR 06010 of January 12, 2017, and VSD, DIR, POP, Lab 014001 of February 5, 2021 on the subject. It also affirmed that banks and other financial institutions are still prohibited from holding, trading and/or transacting in virtual currencies on their own accounts. It added all banks and other financial institutions are required to immediately comply with its new guideline. In its circular with reference number BSD, DIR, POP, Lab 014001, dated February 5, 2021, the Apex Bank reminded banks that dealing in cryptocurrencies or facilitating payments for cryptocurrency exchanges was prohibited. At the time, it asked banks to identify persons or entities transacting in or operating cryptocurrency exchanges within their systems and ensure that their accounts were closed.